My husband has the mouth guard that we're using for anti-snoring, and it's making the difference between me sleeping in the room with him or me sleeping out of the room, and we're both a lot more rested. And the nice thing about the one that Walt's using now from Gentle Dentistry is that he can actually talk a little bit while we're falling asleep. And the old one he got from Dr. Parker was more Frankenstein in appearance and in sound, and he couldn't say anything. So everything is so much better with this new appliance for anti-snoring.